Most of us eat an orange, enjoy its sweetness, and toss away the peel without a second thought. But here's the shocking truth: the part we throw away is often more powerful than the fruit we keep. From fighting disease to cleaning your home, orange peels are nature's hidden treasure. After hearing this, you'll never see them as waste again. According to a 2018 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, orange peels are packed with flavonoids, polyphenols, and essential oils. In fact, the peel contains almost 3 times more vitamin C than the juicy pulp. Vitamin C is not just for colds. It plays a role in collagen production, immune defense, and fighting oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and disease. Research in food chemistry found that compounds like hesperidin and naringin in citrus peels can help reduce cholesterol and improve heart health. The natural compound D-limonene, concentrated in orange peel oil, has shown anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties in laboratory studies. Nutrition and Cancer Journal 2016. So, when you throw away that peel, you're throwing away medicine nature wrapped for you. Traditional medicine has known this for centuries. In Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, dried orange peel, known as chen pi, is used to soothe digestion, reduce bloating, and break down mucus. Modern research backs this up. Studies published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry show that peel extracts may regulate gut microbiota, improve fat metabolism, and even assist in weight management. Dry orange peels in the sun, grind them into powder, add a teaspoon to tea or smoothies for a digestive boost. Your skin also loves orange peel. Its high vitamin C content promotes collagen synthesis, while natural citric acid helps exfoliate dead skin cells. Dermatological studies suggest that citrus peel extracts have antibacterial and anti-aging effects. No wonder cosmetic industries secretly use them in their serums and creams. But why pay a premium when you can make your own mask at home? 1 TBSP orange peel powder, 2 TBSP yogurt or honey. Apply for 15 minutes, rinse, natural glow. But orange peel isn't just about your health. It's a green solution for your home and the planet. The essential oils in orange peel act as a natural cleaner, degreaser, and insect repellent. A study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health highlighted that citrus oils have antimicrobial activity strong enough to replace some chemical cleaners. Fill a jar with orange peels, cover with vinegar, let sit for 2 weeks. Strain and use as eco-friendly cleaner. You'll save money, reduce plastic waste, and protect your home from toxic chemicals. Think about it, nature designs nothing in vain. The peel protects the fruit, nourishes the soil, and if we allow it, heals our bodies and homes. Throwing it away isn't just losing nutrients, it's ignoring wisdom. Every orange peel is a reminder that waste is a human invention. In nature, everything has purpose. So next time you peel an orange, don't just see scraps. See medicine, beauty, and sustainability wrapped in bright orange. Never throw them away again, because what you call trash, nature calls treasure. Never throw away orange peels again, because what you call trash, nature calls treasure.